Assalamualaikum and hi again. Okay, this is my second video for the circle topics. So 5.2 Symmetry and Chord. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 properties of a symmetry in a circle. Okay, we go one by one. Okay, the first one, the diameter of a circle is the axis of symmetry of the circle. Okay, apa maksud dia kat situ? So, if you have a circle, okay, dia kata tadi diameter of the circle so is the axis of symmetry of that circle. So, what is the axis of symmetry? Do you still remember? Okay, axis of symmetry tu is the line that cut your object into two equal part. So kalau awak ada this one, let's say lah the dotted line tu is the line of symmetry, axis of symmetry. So nanti kan awak punya bulatan akan jadi two equal part like this, right? Okay. So if I cut this one like this, so dia akan jadi this one and this one. So two equal parts. So this line, this axis of symmetry is the diameter is the axis of symmetry of that circle. So that's why the first properties it say that the diameter of a circle is the axis of symmetry of the circle. Okay, faham ke? Okay, hopefully you can understand what I said. Okay, the second properties is a radius which is perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. So if you have a circle, okay, this is the center, and then you have a chord. Okay, let's say like this is your chord. So what is the perpendicular line? Line that cuts your things into two part with equal length, right? So this is your perpendicular line. This one, this is perpendicular line. Line. Okay, this is your perpendicular line. So when this line they cut your chord, okay, this is your chord. It cut your chord into two equal part. Nampak tak? Dia mesti akan sama. Let's say lah your chord ni dia punya length is 10. So when you have the perpendicular line daripada center yang cut the chord into two equal part, so yang ni akan jadi apa? So dia akan jadi 5. This one pun akan jadi 5. Okay, that is basically the second property it said. The radius which is perpendicular to the chord bisect the chord. Okay, they cut the chord into two equal length. Okay, the third property is the perpendicular bisector of two chords meets at the center of the circle. So kalau ada your circle and then you have two chord, tak kisahlah chord ni same length or different in length. Okay, kat mana kan chord ni kan? Okay, this is your center. So kalau awak buat perpendicular bisector dekat chord awak ni, okay, 90 degree dia mesti akan meet at the center. So, this line tu mesti meet at the center. Okay, dia mesti jumpa dekat center. Tak kisahlah awak ada berapa banyak pun chord, mesti perpendicular line tu meet at the center. That's why I write another chord. Okay, let's say here, my chord is here. So if I draw the perpendicular line, they mesti cut at the center, mesti meet at the center. Okay, that is the third properties. Okay, the fourth one, equal chords or chords of the same length produce arc of the same length. So this one basically it tells you about, okay, if you have chord with same length, say like this one is 10, okay, the chord, the length of the chord. And then you have another one here with the same length, 10, the chord, the length of the chord is 10. So what happened to the arc? Where is the arc? This one, let me change the color. Okay, this one is the arc. Okay, this is the arc. Okay, the length of the arc for both chord, let's say I label this one is A, B, C, D. So length of arc AB is equal to length of arc CD. Why? Because their chord are equal in length. Okay, sebab chord dia sama panjang. What if you have a chord, another chord here, which is does not equal to AB punya chord or CD punya chord? So automatically, say I label that as FG. So automatically FG to the length of arc of FG to does not equals to the length of arc of CD or AB. Okay, do you understand? The length of arc is equal if the chord are equal in length. If you have two chords, they are equal in length. So the length of arc for the both chord two are equal. Okay. The fifth one, equal chords are equidistant from the center of the circle. Okay, for this one, so your circle center, this one is the center. So let's say that you have two chord with the same length. Okay, dua chord ni same length. So the distance, okay, jarak daripada this chord to the center and this chord to the center, to 90 degree ni, is the same. So this one is A, B, O, C, D. So when AB is equals to CD, so automatically, wait, I must label something else here. So automatically, okay, X2 is the center, is the midpoint for line AB, where Y is the midpoint for chord CD. Okay, sorry. So when the chord AB is equals to chord CD, the length, so automatically XO is equals to YO. Okay, the length of XO here is equals to the length of OY. Okay, this one this length is equals to this length. Mesti sama dia punya value. Memang this is the properties. Okay. Last but not least, a perpendicular bisector for any chords will always intersect at the center of the circle. Okay, basically this one is just the same with the third one. Perpendicular bisector of two chords meet at the center of the circle. So awak lukis lah mana-mana chord, dekat mana chord tu tak kisahlah sama length ke, does not equal in length ke, dia punya perpendicular bisector of that chord tu must meet at the center. Okay, tu memang special properties of the circle. Another special properties of the circle. Buat draw lah chord kat mana pun inside the circle, dia mesti akan meet at the center. So this is your chord, this is your chord, this is your chord. So the length dia tak sama, okay? So if you draw the perpendicular bisector, dia mesti akan meet at the center. Itu the last properties said. Okay, that's all for the second video. Wait for my third video, which is the last part of the circle subtopic. Thank you.